Hello student, today we are going to learn our second poem, Indian Weaver. Before start our poem, in our textbook there is part of icebreakers. What you will do at home? You will read all the questions those are given in icebreaker parts. Try to find out their answers by discussing with your friends. There are four questions are given. Those all the questions are connected with our poem Indian Weaver. Now we start our poem Indian Weaver. It is poem of Sarojini Naidu. You know very well about Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu was one of the independent activists, politicians and well-known poet. She composed so many poems on different themes, but her poems, those are on the patriotic theme, are very famous throughout the world. She started to write poems at the age of 12 and she learned how to write the poems from her mother, who was also one of famous Bengali poet. Now we see about the present poem. You should open your textbook page number 100 and see the poems in your textbook. Now in the present poem, this short poem, it consists of 3 stanzas, and every stanzas we will see 3 important stages in the life of human beings are given in 3 stanzas. 3 stages of man's life are symbolized through the weaver's creation. Here poet present a weaver and weaver's creation. He symbolizes 3 stages in the human being's life. Again, to symbolize to given the 3 stages in the human being's life, poet presented the 3 stages in the day, that is early morning, evening and night. Now we see first stanza. Weavers weaving at break of day, why do you weave a garment so gay? Blue as the wing of a falcon white, we weave the ropes of a newborn child. Yes. See students, weavers weaving at a break of a day. Weaver started, weavers means विणकाम करणारा, जो कपडे विणतो त्याला weavers म्हणतात. So weavers weaving at a break of a day. Break of a day means early in the morning. What is mean by break of a day? Early in the morning, at dawn. So weavers weaving clothes at a break of a day. Why do we wear garments so gay? When weavers are weaving clothes early in the morning, poet ask her, ask him, ask them, why do you weave a garment so gay? They are weaving the garment so beautiful, in very happy mood. Their mood, the mood of weavers are also very happy mood, and so poet ask them, why do you weave a garment so gay? How आर द गारमेंट्स. गारमेंट्स कसे आहे? ब्ल्यू ॲज द विंग ऑफ ए हेल्कन वाइल्ड. हेल्कन वाइल्ड मीन्स kingfisher bird. I know many times you see kingfisher. How are the kingfishers feathers? Yes, kingfishers feathers are blue white. कसे असते किंगफिशर या पक्षाचे पंख? ब्ल्यू व्हाईट असते. So we see that at the break of a day, early in the morning, weavers weaving clothes. Their color is blue as the Helcon wild, as the feather of the kingfisher. Yes. When poet asks question to weavers, why do you weave a garment so gay, so beautiful, blue in color as the feathers of the kingfisher? Then weavers give the answer to poet, we weave the robes of a newborn child. Newborn child means child. Robes means clothes. Yes, when poet asked weavers, why do you weave so gay clothes, so colorful clothes like the feathers of kingfisher, blue in color? Then weavers give the answer, yes, we weave these clothes for the newborn babies. And when they are weaving these clothes, their mood, their feelings, the feelings of weavers are very happy feelings. They have happy feelings when they are weaving clothes for the newborn babies. Now in these 4 lines we see poetic devices. In it we see simile. There is a simile. We already studied simile. When there is a comparison between two things, when there is a direct comparison between two things by using the word as or like, that is a simile. Here is simile figure of speech. Blue as the wing of Helcon wild. It is a simile figure of speech. Students, at home you will read this poem once again, and the questions in the textbook, those are given on the first stanza. You will try to find out their answers. The next 2 stanzas we will see in the next video. Thank you.